Hey you guys, so I'm back with another video, and actually I think this is my first video of this year. It's year 2020 now, so I've been slacking already when it comes to my videos, but I've been trying to figure out what exactly I want to do. So guess what came in the mail today? Curlbox came in the mail today. So I literally just got home from work, and this is I'm just not opening the box. So we're gonna see what's in this subscription this time. My braid is too long. So I can, ooh, yeah, I picked that up after I unpackaged everything. But I can tell you off the rip that this month, January 2020's Curlbox is gonna be Cantu products. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh man, wow. Y'all, if I can get my camera to focus. And I won't be editing this, so y'all just bear with me, because I'm trying to get it out to y'all as soon as I film it. So automatically, like I said, I can tell this is going to be a Cantu box. And now they said that this box was going to be like one of the best boxes of the year, and it was going to have unreleased products and all this other stuff. So now that I'm seeing Cantu, I'm kind of like, what do you mean unreleased products? So we're gonna see. And actually I haven't been in a store, so I don't know what products be out, because I don't purchase hair products because I have too many already from Curlbox. So yeah. So yeah, I don't know what is the theme. I guess the theme of this is Crystal Bliss. And also I'm in natural lighting, so it might change up on me and everything, and the sun is trying to set. So yeah, we're gonna try to, oh snap, we're gonna try to get through this, but I'm kind of excited already. So yeah, going through this, like I said, the name of the box is Crystal Bliss. I might be wrong, but I think that says Crystal Bliss. So it says, realign your chakras, sage your space, make way for a new kind of mindfulness with our Crystal Bliss box. So, oh, that was the thing, y'all. They said this month we're offering up 9 soothing hair goodies courtesy of Cantu Beauty. Take a look at which crystals will pair with each part of your regimen. I read that stupid. But yeah, starting off with this, matter of fact, let me, Karma Bliss Self-Care 101. I don't know what this is, y'all, but they put all the cards in the box. Oh! crystalbliss.com, crystals. So I guess if you're into crystals, I think it's like a discount code they put in the box, but I don't want to waste the time of reading that. But they do have like a 20% off code on that card. So starting off, it says cleanse, black tourmaline. I think I'm pronouncing that right, the little black stone. Black tourmaline has been long known for its aura cleansing effects. Consider keeping one of these smoky stones near your nightstand to promote a fresh mind. To refresh curls, your Cantu Avocado Shampoo is a sulfate-free cleanser that whip brittle curls into shape with avocado oil and shea butter. During your conditioning session, meditate and roll your black tourmaline in the palm while your curls are drenched with Cantu avocado conditioner, a detangling softener that nourishes lifeless curls. So automatically, I need all of these tools, y'all. I need all of these tools. So off the rip, it's talking about the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Shampoo. This is how it looks if I can get the lighting to work with me. This is how the bottle looks. I don't know. Like I said, I haven't been in the store, so I don't know if I've seen this or not. But I haven't seen a bottle that looks like this, but like I said, I ain't been in a while. So like they said, it is avocado oil and shea butter. It says it moisturizes and softens dry brittle hair, and it's sulfate free, free of paraffins, paraffins, parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. Still might be pronouncing stuff wrong, but y'all bear with me. And it also talked about the Avocado Hydrating Conditioner. This is the same thing, same bottle as the shampoo, just different top color. Let me see how it smells, because I always forget to tell y'all how things smell. It smells like typical Cantu products. It smells just like any other Cantu product. Okay, the shampoo smells pretty good, but it still smells like Cantu, so. So next it says create with citrine. Citrine is known as the stone of joy and abundance. It helps you creatively interact with the world, and it can definitely help you take a risk with your hair choices. Try something new with your Cantu Avocado Styling Gel. Focus. This is the styling gel. It's a defining gel that slicks up perfect ponytails, defines silkier textures, and slays edges. And then also for a quick wash and go, Cantu Avocado Curl Activator Cream. This is the cream. It's in your typical bottle. And it says the Cantu Avocado Curl Activator Cream creates frizz-free defined curls infused with vitamin A, E, and strengthening amino acids. Once your curls are dry, your Cantu classic fashion wrap, which is this. So we got a wrap, which I really needed that. I really needed that, and I didn't want to pay for it. Slides on easily and protects your edges and hairline while adding a bit of panache to your, I don't know what that word is, P-A-N-A-C-H-E. I don't know how to pronounce that, so I ain't even gonna try. So next it says manifest with quartz. Quartz is something of a magical stone with its known ability to help and manifest ambitions and give birth to new ideas. Which, much like your stone, we've included several hair tools and accessories that help you create new looks. Your Cantu detangling and define brush, which is this, is similar to a dimming brush. I know a lot of people have used this before and they swear by it and they love it. So this can be used when you're for detangling, styling, you know, like wash and goes. It does all of that good stuff. It can also help pour your hair sometimes, like depending on how you use it. I find that it helps to clump your curls together. Some people don't like that, some people do. I do. So yeah. It says it's a non-slip grip brush made of minimum bristles to help make detangling thick hair a breeze. If manifesting a little more volume is your goal, then you can use your Cantu double lift pick. I had one of these before, but I lost it and it wasn't as large. So it is a double comb pick, as you can see. This is huge. I kind of need that too. So yeah, it says it has specially placed teeth to help lift roots without adding frizz. So yeah. Next, Beautify with Jade. You've probably already heard of Jade due to its popularity in facial rollers and skin tools. It helps renew the skin and hair to help you add even more allure to your regimen. We've included Cantu braid and lock charms to adorn braids, twist, locks, and curls. So they did put in some of those accessories that, you know, people like to put on their braids. And, you know, I might put these in my braids, but I can't do it because it might fall off. Yeah. So they put little accessories in here, and it's your typical little gold lock. A lot of people like to use them on locks and stuff and regular locks. So yeah, they put those in there. And then it says your Cantu hook elastic bands. Adjust to yeah, these. It's been a long day. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to see the bottom of them. I might have to break this, even though I don't want to. Okay, so they are elastic bands, and I don't want to tear up the packaging, but I'm pretty sure down here the part that's covered is the little hooks. So like this pamphlet says, it adjusts to accommodate the thickness of your hair with extendable hooks, and then you don't have to, you know, forfeit comfort for a style. So yeah, these have the hook, so it's an elastic band. You don't have to use your hand to wrap it so many times. You can just hook it and it stays. But those can be tight too sometimes, but this is gonna come in handy because I did need some more hair ties because I lose them every time I buy some. So yeah, like I said, I will not be editing this video, so you will get all the bloopers. I'm so sorry if I've aggravated you with my non-reading behind, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is my first video of the year, which is year 2020, in case you didn't, you don't know. But yeah, this was the January 2020 Curlbox, and again, the theme of this box is Crystal Bliss, and it focuses on crystals to help you manifest and, you know, just balance your chakras. So yeah, like I know anything about that. But y'all, this was the Curlbox. I hope you enjoy. Later on, whenever I take these out of my hair, I will definitely be using these products because Cantu, they've had some hit and misses. And one thing I forgot to mention about this gel, it says it's flexible hold and it's alcohol free. So yeah, it says it's hydrating. I don't know if I like the way this smells. So it's not watery. It's your typical gel texture, kind of like Eco. It's the same as Eco Style. It has that same texture as Eco Style, but the smell, I don't really care for the smell, but it does smell clean. And as far as the activator, it smells just like the Cantu deep conditioning styling smoothie or whatever it's called. It smells exactly like that. It smells like Cantu products. So yeah, like I said, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next. So yeah, I'll see you.